Want to log out your Clash of Clans ID from all other devices in just one click? In this video, I will guide you through how can you do it using your device. First, make sure you are logged into the Gmail which is connected to your Supercell account. You can check or add the Gmail from here. Now, check your email. If your Clash of Clans account is active on another device, you will see an email like this. No email means your account is safe. Now open this mail and tap on "This is not my device." It will automatically redirect you to this page. Here tap on Logout on all devices. So that's how you can log out your Clash of Clans account from all other devices. Follow these steps carefully and keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.